know what time it is.
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
And one for Uncle Joe, and one for Aunt Mary, and... Oh, hello friends! Welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, your friend Manny, and I'm so happy to see you today. I'm in the middle of planning a big surprise for my family. Do you love surprises? Me too, but an even bigger question is, do you love bubbles? Me too! I love bubbles so much that I got very special bubble wands for every single member of my family. We're gonna have a huge bubble party when all of my family comes over to my house to celebrate Thanksgiving. I got this blue one for my dad because his favorite color is blue. This flower one's for my mom because she loves flowers. This purple one's for Cousin Carol because she always wears purple shoes, so she must love purple. They're all gonna be so excited. I can't wait.
Ho, ho.
Hey, it's Ollie.
Hello, Manny. Ho, ho. Talking about your family, are you?
Hi, Ollie. I sure am. My family's gonna come over to our house, and I'm surprising everybody with their very own personal bubble wand. It's gonna be so much fun.
Family is important. It's true. I have just the Bible story for you. Just listen to this. Just follow me through. Ho, ho.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Way to go, Stormy Jane. Oh, hey, friends. I'm Carrie, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. Stormy just loves bubbles. Do you guys love bubbles? They are pretty fun. My Aunt Debbie sent them in the mail to Stormy. She lives far away, but she always finds a way to take care of us. Isn't that right, Stormy? Family is just the best, isn't it? In fact, that reminds me of a story. Are you ready? Let's blow bubbles to start it. 1, 2, 3. This is Naomi. Does she look happy or sad to you? Sad, that's right. Naomi is sad because her husband and sons just died. She had no family. She was all alone. So she decided to go back to the town where she grew up. But look, it's Ruth. Ruth had married Naomi's son. Ruth said, "I'll go with you, Naomi. I'll be your family." Wow, that's amazing. God sent Ruth to be Naomi's family. Thank you, God. Can you say that with me? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, God. So Naomi and Ruth walked to the town where Naomi used to live. Then Naomi and Ruth, they started to feel hungry. They didn't have any money to buy food, so Ruth went to see if she could find something to eat. Well, not far from where they lived, a man named Boaz had people working in his fields gathering all the grain. The fields were big, and the workers worked very fast. But as they went, sometimes they would leave grain on the ground behind them. Ruth saw this and wondered if she could pick up the leftovers on the ground and bring them home to Naomi for food. Boaz saw her and found out that she was family. He let Ruth pick all the good food she needed. Wow, God sent family to help Ruth and Naomi. Thank you, God. Say that with me. Thank you, God. When she went home to Naomi, Naomi was so surprised. Who helped you, Naomi asked. And Ruth said, a man named Boaz. What do you think Naomi said? She said, thank you, God. Ruth and Naomi said thank you for the family who helped them. That's what families do, right? We take care of each other. Thank you, God, for giving us our family. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who can you thank for everything?
I can thank God for everything. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can you thank for everything?
I can thank God for everything. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story. It's all true. Boaz took care of Ruth and Naomi, just like your family takes care of you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Ho, ho.
Wow, that is so true. My family does take care of each other just like Naomi's family did. My dad always helps me with hard words whenever we're reading books together. My mom always makes sure that I have clean socks to wear to soccer practice. And I was the very first person to help little cousin Carol learn how to blow bubbles. Family is so important. We all take care of each other. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Well, I guess I need to finish setting up the rest of these wands. My family will be here any minute. I'll see you next time. Bye!